Okay, which new feature on Token Metrics are you most excited for? What new feature for Token Metrics are you most excited for? Let us know. Go to menti.com, menti.com, and use the code 1579522. That's 1579522. Go there and tell us what you think, right? The options are the quant grade. That's basically the quant grade, the trader grade, but it's basically the same thing as the quant grade because it's all based on quantitative data points. Then the new exchange indices. Then third, this option is coming probably next week, but definitely by next month. I would say in 1 to 2 weeks, email and text alerts. Being able to get alerts whenever there's an update. And that this will help people save a lot of time. And the other option is other. So let's go to Bill. What's your favorite new feature of Token Metrics?
For me, it's the exchange indices.
Yeah.
Right. In other words, fast money is on Uniswap. Traditional money is in Coinbase. And then this will allow me to say, okay, what's working and not working in DeFi, right? Without me having to I don't know, not sleep. So I can find out what's going on and what's hot and what's next in DeFi, while also tracking the larger coins that are going to be in those more traditional indices. So it can expand the range of what I cover, in say newsletters and private groups, right? It gives me a whole new range of things to talk about.
Yes, absolutely. And what Bill mentioned is something that will be a huge value add to all our customers. More sleep, having time to sleep, because no longer will you have to keep tabs on all the different new flashy, shiny tokens launching, because the quant grade is designed to automate that. Right, so go to menti.com, tell us what you think. Let me quickly proceed to providing an overview on the quant grade. So at a high level, what the quant grade is doing, so if we log in now to Token Metrics, sorry, just give me 1 second here. Okay, all right, so this is the new and improved quant grade. As you see, the UI is now a lot simpler. We have essentially one single grade. So you have the options for trader and value investor. Trader is for somebody who has a very short time horizon. So somebody who's looking to trade daily, weekly, and monthly. And you'll notice here, we now have a new menu here that lets you choose what time horizon you'd like to trade or invest in. So if you're a day trader looking for day trade opportunities based on the quant grade, this is what it shows, right? So as you see here, the ratings are different. We've removed the fundamental column, the technology column, the technical analysis column, and price prediction column, and just giving you one single grade. So there's less confusion because this grade is very, very accurate based on our back tests, right? So the quant grade, I'll go through and actually show the accuracies. Let me see if I can show that, because we want to be fully transparent with everybody. Just give me 1 second here. All right. Make sure I have this right. Okay, yeah. So this is the accuracy of the quant grade. So if we go through, right, the date accuracy, meaning that when we say it's going to go up, it goes up. When we say it's going down, it goes down, right? So the daily day trader has an accuracy of 57%. The weekly trader has an accuracy of 54%. The monthly trader has an accuracy of 61%. But the quant grade here, right, monthly 73%, quarterly 81%, and yearly 77%. So this is very, very accurate. And we're also in the process of testing out and seeing if we can create a new optimized quant grade for day traders. So that's coming. That's not currently live on the site. What you have now is the trader grade, but trader grade and quant grade have kind of been battling it out. So think of this as survival of the fittest. So trader grade is a combination of technical analysis grade and price prediction to combine into one single trading grade or trading indicator. So as you see here, daily quant grade has an accuracy of 62%. The last week trader grade was a lot higher, right? Because this is updating every single day based on the back tests. We do plan to integrate this into the UI, so it'll be there for everyone to see. This should be coming sometime, I would say next month or shortly. But in essence, what we're trying to say basically is this is a pretty accurate model. Obviously, it's not perfect. So I'm not trying to tell people that it's perfect. But if you think that a good trader or investor has a success rate of about 50 to 55%, to have something that gives you 60 to 70% that's fully automated is powerful. Because as Bill mentioned, you can now get back sleep. You don't have to go on Uniswap and track all these coins, because the quant rate will let you know what's good based on your time horizon. So if we come back here, it's telling me if you're looking for day trade, look into PowerPool, UMA. PowerPool is up 21% already. Engine, Steam, Raven, Bitcoin Diamond, and Aeon. So this could basically be your watch list as a trader to then maybe go do your own research and technical analysis. If you're looking for a weekly swing trade, somebody mentioned Hex. Guess what? The coin rate is picking up on Hex. It's saying if you want to trade for the next 7 days or so, Hex might be a good trade. Now, obviously, Hex has its issues publicly, but if you're a trader who only cares about trading and basically short-term gains, Hex is worth looking into. Then you have Origin Protocol, XMAX, Energy, Monero, and VeChain. If you're somebody looking to trade over the course of one month, here are the coins, right? Monero, Theta, all that. Now, if you're a hodler, we have ratings for you as well, right? Actually, these are even more accurate. So if you're looking to hodl for 1 year or longer, these are the projects this bullish on. Actually, the only one is really bullish on, I would say, is QuirkChain and then Synthetics. Everything else is not so bullish. As you see, the score is they're all pretty low. So it's telling you that Synthetics is worth looking into. Disclosure, I do own Synthetics based on the quant grade as well. I'm staking that and farming that. But let's say you want to hodl for just 3 months. Now notice here, this is very interesting. For the next 3 months, most of these are stable coins. We have Paxos, we have Kunos. I have no idea what this is. USD Coin, TrueUSD, Tether. So this tells me the market is pretty bearish or neutral in the next 3 months. So it's basically good to have a lot of money in cash. And then we have the token we've been covering for the last week or so, P Network. This project has a very low market cap. This is basically a DeFi cross-chain protocol. In a way, they compete with third chain, Rune. They're trying to make assets transferable across different blockchains. Very, very small cap project. I did end up investing as well early this week, about 2 days ago, I believe, based on the quant grade as well. So this is how it's helping me and our team and also our customers find these up and coming projects. Obviously, once you go here, you should definitely do your own research and find out what coins you want to invest in. But this is basically saying stable coins and maybe one low cap gem as kind of a hedge. And then if we go here to monthly, same thing. We have P Network. Okay, so he likes P Network for the next 1 month. Very, very interesting. This stablecoins, Kunos, Solana. Solana is a blockchain. Definitely worth looking into based on this for anybody who's looking to trade over the course of 1 month. But this is how we would use the quant rate at a very high level, very, very simple. Bill, any comments on this so far?
Oh, yes. I think the comment that I would have is that my jaw is sort of hanging open over the thing about the stable coins. I was kind of in BTFD mode, but I am absolutely not going to fade RAI, because we both know the last time this moved to stable coins, the market got wrecked, right? And
Right.
we didn't exactly say this, but we we vowed that we would take any such signal seriously going forward.
Yes, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Okay, so to continue the overview, so this is live right now on the site. So if you're a customer, you can log in right now. All this is live. All this has been deployed. So now let's go to Bill's favorite part, the exchange indices. So you can come here now and put in the type of investor you are. So trader or value investor, the time horizon, and the exchange. You can say, show me all exchanges, show me Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Uniswap, and it will generate exchanges for you. And we've changed the way we allocate capital to these portfolios, to these model portfolios. We're now using a much improved algorithm that can go through and apply our AI grades from the quant grade and the market's view on the market, and combine them to get a completely new, much more balanced portfolio that sits across the efficient frontier a lot more better, right? So in other words, it's basically a much more efficient portfolio. And as you see here, the allocations have changed compared to what they were before. So no longer are they all between 9 and 11%. Now you actually get some coins that have a huge position in the portfolio. For example, in this case, Bitcoin is 46% of the portfolio. You have Cardano, Binance, Theta, and so on, right? So this is, we think, going to be a game changer, because let's say you're in the US and you only have Coinbase. Now you can go here and actually choose, using the quant grade, the best portfolio for Coinbase, right? This is very, very powerful, right? As you see here, it's different, right? You have Bitcoin, you have XRP, BAT, Ethereum. This is going to be a lifesaver and give people a lot of free sleep. Bill, your comments?
Yes, the Coinbase index is going to really help me, because I've got to write reports that cater to both, you know, new legacy investors coming over, as well as, you know, the alt enthusiastic crypto crowd. So this will help me, you know what to focus on, right? In other words, if I'm looking at Bitcoin and stable coins, I'm going to have to forego shopping and recompute some of my analysis. So, you know, one rule in human analysis is, you know, don't get dogmatic. Don't get glued to a view. Be willing to change your mind. You know, don't fade the AI in certain circumstances, right? This might be one of them. This is one of them.
Great words, great words. Okay, so Nate Smith is saying, Ian, can you get Binance.us on your list? We can definitely look into it if there's lots of community interest around that. So definitely let us know down below, and by also going to our feedback at feedback.tokenmetrics.com. Okay, let me just check a few other comments here. Just tuned in. Has quant grade been applied to the site indices yet? Yes, it has. So what you're seeing is now live on the site. Okay, hey Ian, I'm following you live and putting in their same setting, but I'm getting different results. Check the inputs you have. So I'll go through all the different indices during this live stream for all the exchanges. So just stay tuned. We'll be going through every single index because we want to make sure everyone knows how to fully use it. Okay, happy anniversary, crypto family. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, Crypto Gamer says, these are great accuracies, considering most day traders have an accuracy of 55%. Yes, yeah. So this is better than most day traders or traders or investors. I mean, obviously it's not perfect, but it gets you time to value very, very quickly. And it gets you to be better than most, I would say, I mean, dare I say it, most hedge funds. I mean, because your average hedge fund has the same technology, but we think ours is now better than a lot of hedge funds in the space, a lot of quant funds. I mean, because we've put in lots of capital behind this, and we have a pretty good team as well. And we're now making this accessible to retail investors and traders through our platform. So if you like that, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friend, and tell them that they can get 40% off of Token Metrics using coupon code anniversary 2020. But do it today because this expires Monday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so let's go back to the question of the day. All right, so which new feature are you most excited for? The winner, no surprise, Quant Grade, followed by exchange indices, followed by email and text alerts, and then other. All right, well, thank you to everybody that participated. That was definitely very, engaging, but not quite. I mean, we all kind of expected that, I guess. All right, just give me 1 second here. All right, so tell us what you think down in the comments below.